So hello guys, welcome to SK tutorial. So in this video we are learning about the algorithm, its characteristics and its properties. So let us learn what is algorithm. So algorithm is basically step by step procedure. So this is basically a step by step procedure for solving some task. Now, an algorithm can be given in many ways. For example, it can be written down in English. Or in French or in any other natural language. So this can be written in any language. However, we are interested in algorithms which have been precisely specified using an appropriate mathematical formulation such as programming language. Now let us see the algorithm characteristics. So basically every algorithm should have the following 5 characteristics. So algorithm should have the 5 characteristics. The first characteristics is input. So basically input means the algorithm must take 0 or more input. And the second characteristics is the output. So output means the algorithm should produce 1 or more output. And the third characteristics is definites. So this is basically each and every step of algorithm should be defined. So in this each and every step should be defined. Okay. Now the fourth characteristics is effectiveness. So the effectiveness means that a human should be able to calculate the values which is involved in the procedure of the algorithm using paper and pencils. And the last characteristics, that is the fifth one, that is the termination. So termination means an algorithm must terminate after a finite number of steps. So these are the 5 characteristics. First is input, second is output, third is definedness, fourth is effectiveness, and fifth is termination. Now let us see the properties of algorithm. So properties of algorithm. So simply writing the sequence of instruction as an algorithm is not sufficient to accomplish a certain task. So it is necessary to have a following properties associated with an algorithm. So the first property is non-ambiguity. So this is basically each step in an algorithm should be non-ambiguous. That means each instruction should be clear and precise. So the instruction as an algorithm should not denote any conflicting meaning. This property also indicates the effectiveness of algorithm. Now let us see the second properties of algorithm, that is range of input. So in this property, the range of input should be specified. So this is because normally the algorithm is input driven input driven, and if the range of the input is not specified, then the algorithm can go in a infinite state. So let us see for the third properties of algorithm, that is the multiplicity. So multiplicity is the same. The algorithm can be represented in a several different ways, as the name defines itself. So that means that we can write in simple English the sequence of instruction, or we can write in a form of pseudo code. Similarly, for solving the sum problem, we can write several different algorithms. For instance, for searching a number from the given list, we can use the sequential search or a binary search method. Here, searching is a task, and use of either sequential search method or a binary search method is an algorithm. Now, let us see for the fourth properties of algorithm, that is speed. So basically, the algorithm are written using some specific ideas, which is popularly known as the logic of algorithm. But such algorithm should be efficient and should produce the output with fast speed. Now let us see for the last one property of the algorithm, that is finiteness. So basically, in this, the algorithm should be finite. That means after performing required operation, it should be terminate. As we have seen what is in this video, we have learned about the algorithm. What is algorithm? Its characteristics and its properties. So basically, it has 5 characteristics and it also has 5 properties. So this is the required video. Hope you understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video.